children, welcome back. Children, in English, this is our last topic of this month, that is a dialogue writing. It's a part of a creative writing. Okay, children. So, what is dialogue? It is when characters speak or communicate. When a person talks with other or when they do conversation, okay, then it's called as dialogue. When a new person speaks, you begin a new paragraph. Whenever somebody says something, you should write in the next line. Quotation marks. This type of quotation marks are there, children, in which whatever a person says, that should be written in these two quotation marks. Okay, so it means that the person is speaking. Let us see this example, picture dialogues. Here you can see that here a mother and a child, mother and her daughter, they are having a conversation here. So now mother is asking Rakhi, what did you do in school today? Now what is Rakhi is answering? I played with my friends. Then again her mother asks, what did you play? Then she answered, hide and seek. So Rakhi, who did you play with? Amar and Malini. Are you hungry? Yes. So here children, two people are talking, mother and a daughter, and when somebody says something, the other have to answer. Okay. So this type, it is a conversation, or we can say a dialogue writing. Here children, you can see, while writing dialogue, you have to think in both the ways. Now here, these two people are talking. Now when somebody says something, in comics you must have seen, okay, so here you will see that it is written in this type of a cloud that this person is talking. Okay, when he asks something or says something, the other replies. Okay, so again this one is in cloud. This type of picture you will see in the comics book, okay, or in the story books. Now how to write dialogues? Whatever topic is given for conversation, that you have to think. Then you have to imagine both the characters. If you are a mother and there is a conversation between a mother and a daughter, then you have to think yourself as a mother also, and then you have to think as a daughter also. Arrange your ideas in a logical order. Arrange your ideas like what you have to say, then what the answer will be there, then what again you will say, this way. Use simple language. Okay, try to write in a simple language. Now children, here you remember the poem Conversation. Here there is a conversation between a mouse and a cat. Okay, so let me read the poem again for you. Mousey, Mousey, where is your little wee housey? Here is the door under the floor, said Mousey, Mousey. Mousey, Mousey, may I come into your housey? You can't get in, you have to be thin, said Mousey, Mousey. Mousey, Mousey, won't you come out of your housey? I am sorry to say I am busy all day, said Mousey, Mousey. So children, this is the poem. The name itself is a conversation. Now we have a worksheet number 7 of English, that is a dialogue writing. Here you can see that you have to write a conversation between a cat and a mouse. Now you already seen a poem. So what are they talking? That like cat is asking mouse, where is your house? So you will not write your housey, you will write where is your house. Now after cat, what the mouse will answer? My house is very small, okay, or my house is under the floor. Okay, then what is the next question the cat asked? That I want to come to your house. Then the mouse says, no, you can't get into my house, you are very fat. Then the cat says, no, you come out of your house. And the mouse says, no, I'm very busy, I won't be able to come out of my house. This way you can write the conversation between a mouse and a cat. Okay children, so you try to write this. and here I'm not giving you the answers. You think yourself and write down the answers, write down the dialogues. Okay children, so this is the last worksheet of this month. We'll meet in the next video. Till then, goodbye.